Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your weekly charms reading, friends. Yes, pick a card reading. So, here it is now. What's coming next for you this week for the week of 11th to the 18th of October? Yes, friends, in this, we will look at what will happen this week in your love life, your life in general, work, career, and there is this is a charms reading. I have my bag of charms here. Friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. And friends, if you are looking for the future, like what will happen 1 year from now, I have already done a charms pick a card reading for it just yesterday. You can check that out. I will try to link it somewhere in the video or in the description of the video. So let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option number 1, this beautiful dolphin. Option number 2, this beautiful kitty cat. Option number 3, this beautiful goat. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go and choose your option. Also, you can pause the video and take more time, friends. And what is happening astrologically before we start? Friends, this is a big week, and Mercury will be going retrograde on the 13th of October. 13th 14th of October, and that is an important event, Mercury going retrograde. All the best, friends. And also Sun will be opposite Mars that day, so fireworks, huh? uh, Also, friends, another big month, another big thing happening this week is the super new moon on the 16th of October. Yes, there will be a super new moon on the 16th of October in Libra. Happy birthday, Libras. So yes, a lot is happening this week. New start, new energies, a lot of shuffling happening, friends. And also, you know, a lot of planets have gone direct, but now Mercury is in retrograde, and also Mars is in retrograde. But they will be coming out of the retrograde soon, so big changes. But let's see what will happen this week for you. Pile number 1, let's begin. For those who chose option number 1, let us see how this week will be for those who chose this beautiful dolphin option. Let's see. This is your advice card. These are your oracle messages. I will take some extra cards if necessary. The King of Spring, the World, wow. 3 of Autumn, beautiful. Oh my God, Ego, the Devil, and the 3 of Cups. Wow, friends, I do feel there is some sort of a happy news or some celebration coming your way. Definitely, because it could be your birthday coming, or it could be someone else's birthday, maybe a celebration in the family. Something fun, something exciting is going to happen for you, friends, this week. Congratulations. I see for some of you this is your birthday, or you know, you meeting your friends or family and having a good time, and this is a lighter week for you. I also feel, friends, you know, your focus is on the worldly things this week. By the word, what do I mean by worldly things? You're focusing on where is the world going, what is happening, where we are heading, what is in the future for you, for others. I also feel that some of you could be moving out of a situation in your life, whether it is at work, whether it is in love. So you have ended something and you are starting something new. Your focus is about the world, you know. Big, your focus is big, you know. Your focus is about your future, where you are headed, what is next, and you're working to achieve a big future, a bright future. Most of you are busy this week working for your future. I see you actually busy making plans for your future or doing something for your future. that will help you in your future. I also see, friends, your focus, this week, people are important to you. Friendships are very important to you because you have the dolphins energy. Dolphins are very playful. So for your focus is on, people who support you, people who are helping you, or friends you get along with, or you can have a good time with, or have a talk with. Those are the things you want this week, you desire this week. Some of you are trying to manifest new friendships. I think you will be successful, friends. You are going to be successful in finding new people to work with, or finding friendships which are beautiful, harmonious friendships. Yes. I also feel, friends, you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person this week. You could be yourself Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Friends, I feel basically, one thing in your love life. Someone is behaving very egoistically this week. Someone is behaving like, very stubborn this week in your love life. It could be your partner, husband, or wife. It could be an ex person. It could be your twin flame. Someone is behaving not well and you are frustrated with them. This person is in their ego, and also sun will be opposite Mars, friends. So this person, it might affect them. This person, their ego might be very high, they might be very aggressive, or they might they want to do things their own way. So you know they might not be very high on cooperation this week with you or being friendly with you. So don't take it personally, friends. Don't take it personally. You spend time with your friends, you spend time with people you like, and maintain some distance. I also feel, friends, someone has broken a relationship with you, ended things, or they are in a long distance relationship with you. And, things can work in this relationship, but they are behaving a little arrogantly. But I do see some sort of a celebration or talks happening this week, messages coming, especially if it is a long distance relationship. This person is stalking you, they are watching, they are keeping an eye on you. But I don't know why they are behaving so stubbornly. Maybe it is the energy, astrological energy, that's catching them, Mercury retrograde. But I do see some messages coming, some happiness coming your way, some relief coming, some cooperation coming in. I also feel, friends, regarding your work, oh my god, you are unstoppable. Really, you're so focused on your work, so focused on your work, your career, your future, and wanting to achieve things. You're busy planning, working. I see you working, planning. You're very busy, friends. In fact, you may even forget to take a rest or enjoy life. Some of you may be focused too much on money, financial security. Don't do that, friends. This is not the week for that. This is the week for you to enjoy your friendships, enjoy your life, take some rest, do something that is fun. I would suggest you to get some fresh flowers, or if you have them at home, enjoy. Enjoy relaxing yourself, take some time. I also see that some of you, are you joining, you want to join some world organization, I feel, or you want to join some big organization, a big company, or you want to start that company of yours. It will happen, friends, it will happen. Relax. Adjacent possibilities number 24. Yeah, you do have options this week, friends. Even if they are not visible to you, there are many options, especially financially. You have a lot of options. Another thing I feel is some of you could be in your ego and not trying to see that there are other options available to you regarding your work, money, and career. So stay open. Don't be arrogant. If you are, I also see you might refuse help. You just might say no to help coming in. You might want to do things alone also, just because you are workaholic and you are very good at it. So yeah, but accept help. Three of autumn, three of pentacles is about accepting help that is coming in. Teamwork, joint work, spending time with your family, taking care of your pet. Some of you should get a pet, I feel, because I think it will help you to keep relaxed, happy, and out of your ego. or someone else's ego. Someone in your life has a big ego, friends. This person may have put you in a third party, or they are taking this relationship very casually. They are not even they are not even taking your, I don't know how to say. This person is making you angry, I feel, this week. Whoever it is, it could be your husband, it could be your wife, it could be someone you are in long distance, someone who put you in a third party, your twin flame. But friends, I would suggest you to keep your mind open, look for adjacent opportunities. If someone is angry or they are stubborn, what, just laugh it off, and don't take it seriously. And door to spirit number 32. See, this is your time to focus on spirituality. This week, focus on spirituality. Focus on, making some affirmations for yourself, making some, there are many videos, you can watch that on YouTube also. Also, I feel, see things from a higher perspective this week. Why? Because you also have the world card. So see, you already are viewing things, big questions are on your mind about the world, where things are going, what will happen, what will happen. Relax, everything is on the plan, everything is going according to the larger plan. There is definitely a scheme in life for you, a destiny for everyone. So focus on spirituality, focus on kindness, focus on being happy, and enjoy your life. Let's see your advice, then we'll look at your charms. Friendship, oh my goodness gracious. Make a day for a play day. Make a date for play with one or more of your friends. This is always a tricky line to read. Friendships are very important, friends. Make some new friends, take time to connect with your friends. Don't just work this week. And I also feel, make sure, don't stay in the ego, because accept help. Someone wants to help you, take it. Don't say no. If someone behaving aggressively, overlook it, laugh it off. Don't take it seriously. Enjoy. I would suggest you to watch some stand-up comedy or some comic acts. I keep laughing here also. You can watch my videos. I'm quite a nutcase there in all these videos. Sometimes I look, go back and listen to my own videos, and I'm like, what's going on here? Why I'm behaving like a joking here? Why am I behaving like a joker? So yes, it's good to laugh, friends. It's good to laugh. I know. Let's see your charms for this week. You have the dolphin, so stay like the dolphin. So pile number one, what will happen for them this week? I would suggest you to go and read about the dolphin, meaning of dolphins, the symbolism. It will help you. Wow, attachment. Oh my god, and this actually hurt me. This pin is open. So, yes, I do feel someone can hurt you or prick you, with their anger. Oh my god. I think this Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person could actually, hurt you or something. Your ego can hurt you also, friends. So forget it. Be friends with yourself. I always say that. Make friends with yourself so you can be friends with everybody else. I also feel, some of you might be on an extreme, friends, regarding your health. Some of you are not taking your health seriously, whether it is mental health or emotional health. Take it into consideration, friends. Take it into consideration. You have very few alphabets. I don't know why. There is Ni. I'll try to and take some more alphabets. Let's see. Option number one this week. Okay. So we got number two. Two is about happiness. Two is about emotions. Two is about partnerships. Two is also about unions. So friends, it is your week to stay, on focus on friendships. N, I, O, and E. One. This is the one for you. You are looking for the one. You are looking for the one. Something will happen which will make you smile. In fact, you should do things which make you smile this week, friends. It is very necessary for you. Message in a bottle is coming. Someone is going to message you. Someone is keeping an eye on you. That person is going to message you. Maybe they are in some different city or a country. They want to talk with you. They have put you in a third party, or they have been behaving very casually about this connection. Maybe in 2 days or the next 2 hours they are going to message you. Someone is very attached to you. You could be very attached to someone, some pet or some situation in your life, something, you are very attached to it. Maybe you are attached to your future. I also see if some friendships are broken, remember that they will come back. You have a strong connection with a friend also. Number 4, number 22 are important, friends. Number 22 and 4 are important for you. Yes, you are very lucky this week. So don't worry about your work. I do see you are getting obsessed about, your future, your financial security, your work. Don't worry. Don't worry, friends. Even, the world has seen a lot. I tell you, why do I keep saying this? The world has seen everything. The world has seen recession. We came out of that. The world has seen wars. We came out of that. Somehow we all survived through it. Things go down, things come up again. So stay positive, stay balanced. Don't even stay positive, stay balanced. That's very important. Take time to nurture your friendships, friends. Teacup, take time to celebrate something. Take time to celebrate yourself. And you have the apple. I do see, friends, some of you need to include some fresh fruits in your diet. Try make an apple pie. They are very yummy and also very nice. Apple custards or something, you should try that. Google or YouTube the recipe. You will enjoy it. And maybe some of you could be having a birthday, or some friend is having a birthday, so you will have some cake, etc. And this is the cat, friends. Stay. This is also the protection charm. This is like someone's ego can hurt you, so stay on alert. Stay alert, friends. Stay alert. And communications, this blue card is about communication. Some important signs or messages will come your way. You need to stay alert, friends, otherwise you may miss it. The tree of life, your future is safe, friends. Your future is very secure. You don't need to worry so much right now. This is actually the time we are in right now is to enjoy, relax, and focus on things you can take care in the day and enjoy. December is important for some of you. This person could be born in this Sagittarius person or Capricorn person is born in December for you, maybe, or something will happen in December. 9 of Wands, you are very close to achieving victory. King of Air, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I hope you can see. Canada is important. Yes, some of you are worried about your career, or someone lives abroad. Your family, you are worried about them. You want to meet them. Some of you want to go to some other country for work or for some job. It will happen, friends, maybe around December, or things will shift for you around December. Keep working. This is your time for taking it easy. 7 of Years, someone has really cheated. Oh my god, so sorry. Someone has actually cheated on you, or hurted you. Someone has hurted you, friends. That person will, they are thinking about you. Mother, maybe it is your mother you are worried about, their health or something. You are protected because you have the protection charm, so you are safe, friends. You are safe. Your family is safe. Mother and father both is here, so your family is safe. If you are worried about them, they are safe, protected. Star, your wishes are going to come true. Lion, and here is the lion, friends. You are very fearless this week. I would say be happy, don't be too aggressive. 5 of Coins, wow. You feel like, someone is not behaving well, money is not coming. You feel worried about money. You will have money, friends. Don't worry. This is not the right time to think about money. This is your time to think about spirituality, happiness, self-love, friendships, unity, adjacent possibilities. Think about your future, dream about your future is the right word. Don't think, dream about your future. Knight of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. September is important. I do see some work issues are also on your mind. Look for adjacent opportunities. If one door closes, look for other things you can do. Hope, stay hopeful. Remember, stay hopeful. Something great will happen for you, and don't forget to take others' ego and yours not so seriously this week. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this kitty cat, sweet kitty cat, let's see how this week will be for you. This is a charms reading. We are going to pull your charms also. These are your extra oracle messages and this is your advice for the week. So let's see how your week will be. King of Summer, nice. Strength, who? The Empress, wow. You have 3 major arcanas, the Star, number 17. Ooh, the 10 of Winter and the King of Autumn. You have the King of Summer and the King of Autumn, the King of Pentacles. Ooh. Wow, friends, this is a very powerful week for you. Firstly, because you have the 11-11 energy, so something major is happening in your life, and I feel you are scared of it. Whatever is going on in your life, you are a little scared about it. But, take it easy, friends. Take it easy. Something has ended in your life, or something is making you very worried. 10 of Winters is like you feeling stressed out, you feeling worried. Some situation has ended also in your life, probably in love or in work or in both the areas. Something has ended, but remember, you have the Star. Your destiny, this is your week. Some wish will come true, or some sort of a relief will happen for you. Some you need a relief, and you need it very fast, friends. You need some hope, some relief, some support. And I think you are very burdened right now. You have the worries of your father, of your mother, or your family, or your children. You have a lot of worries right now, but relief is coming, friends. Relief is coming. Absolutely, you will find some relief, some happiness. I also feel some wishes are going to come true for you. Things are changing for you, but remember, friends, things are getting better for you. You are very strong, pile number 2. Very strong. I do see that your health will improve, because you have the Strength card. If you are worried about someone else's health, or your family, or someone in your health, mental, emotional well-being, yes, it will improve. Don't worry. I also feel, friends, this week you may feel a little confused whether to listen to your heart or to listen to your mind, because both are very strong. You are very emotional this week and you are also very logical this week, so there is a bit of a confusion what to listen. I would say listen to both, because you have the Empress. Take time to listen to your emotions, take time to listen to your mind also. Don't both are important for you. Both are important. And any decisions you make this week, they should be from your mind and your heart, from the middle of them, not from one. Like, you making an emotional decision, won't be happy. Make a rational decision, won't be happy. Make a decision from both, using both, you'll be happy. I see this is the week you'll be focusing on yourself. You are like me, myself. This is your week, for me, myself, your goals, you are taking time for yourself, your goals, your wishes, your dreams. You're not even interested, or I feel like, in talking to others, or sharing much, or bothered about this world or anything else. You want that thing, like the hug of a mother, that feeling when a mother protects a child. That feeling, you feel that way. And that is exactly how this week will be for you. A protective feeling, a comforting week, a nurturing week, a week where you can relax, enjoy the good things in life, focus on yourself in life, and find relief from these pressures, these burdens, I feel you can definitely. This is an easy week for you, friends, yes. In love, I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be these people, these signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel, friends, there is a relationship which has really gone through the worst of its phases. But I see the relationship is very strong, and it will come back. It will reunite with you. But for now, take time for yourself. This is this is your time to focus on yourself, your dreams, your energy, and be like the cat. Cats are very, they love to take care of themselves, they love to enjoy themselves, they love to focus on their goals. I do feel someone wants to message you. It could be someone that is from your past. I also feel if you are single, there is a new person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, who sees like you are a dream come true for them. They want to message you, but they are scared because you are working all the time. They see you are very successful, so they are a little scared, this new person. I also feel some of you may be confused between two people, the past and the new one. There is someone from the past on your mind. Also, you may feel confused about your past, friends, this week, like whether do you hate your past person or not? Some of you are like, you love them, you hate them. So this is, or someone around you may feel love and hate, confusing emotions, because Mercury is in retrograde. There's also a new moon in Libra, so a lot is happening, a lot is happening. Some confusing emotions may happen in you, or about the past, or in the person around you. But I see that most of you should focus on working on your dreams. This is your week to focus on your dreams, on your goals, on your wishes for the future. If you are manifesting, keep focusing on that, keep working. You're on the right path, you will succeed. If you are a student, I definitely see your results coming out excellently, your wishes coming true, you being successful. If you are worried about money, you are on the right path, you are taking the right action, so don't worry so much. Don't worry so much. Archangel Raphael, healing angel, number 38. Something is going to heal, friends. This weight, this pressure, this ending, some relief is coming. This is, I told you, this is that sort of a week where you feel comforted, you feel happy, you feel like, yes, you have support. And your relationships are very strong. You don't need to worry about them. Some of you might be worried about your mother, you might be missing your grandparents, or some of you might visit your grandparents, or they might visit you. So yeah, or some of you are also worried about becoming mothers, like, when will this happen, when will this happen? It will happen, friends. It is, it is in the energies here, it will happen. If you are expecting or a new mother, you will do well, don't worry. Patience, number 16. Patience, friends. If you're you're getting impatient about something in your life, when this will happen, when that will happen, why things are not working right now, because friends, this is your week to take it, enjoy yourself. This is your week to focus on your goals, your ambitions, your life, making a priority. I also feel if you are a mother or a wife taking care of everybody else, this is your week to just say, okay, I'll need some time for myself. Go help yourself out. If you are a man who does everything for the family, I think this is your week to say, hey, I need some time for myself. I need to, just do something that I love. Maybe watch a movie with some new movie with your friends or family. I do see some of you will be watching The Lion King or something, because I do see you watching some happy family movie with friends or with your family. Be patient, friends. What you are asking is, you are on the right path, friends. Don't be impatient. Let's see your advice. Break free, try different ventures and experiences as a way to grow and learn. So definitely some of you are feeling confused whether you should stay where you are or move on. If you have moved on from a person or a job, you feel like, was it the right decision? Yes, it was. Don't worry. And let's see your charms. Try new things, friends. Try new activities, try new Hobbies, try new books. I would suggest you to see some movies this week, I would suggest you to watch The Star is Born. Maybe that movie is good for you, or The Lion King. Watch something that's full of happiness. Oh, lots of charms for you. Let's see. X. Yeah, someone is bothering, someone is fixated on you. Don't worry, this relationship is very strong. Be patient. Things will get better. Healing will happen. Some of you are worried about health issues also. VT, wow, number 7 is stuck in number T, so maybe that's important for some of you. Number 7 in the letter T. There is G, there is E, there is H, there is again a V. Wow, you have two V's. That's interesting. Where some of you may be, worried about your pet's health or something, or your pet may need some health, doctors or checkups, or, someone needs a health checkup in your family, or precautionary checkups, or if they are taking some checkups, the results will be fine. X is important. Some person from the past is thinking about you. Heg, Heg. I don't know if I can make any word from it. Let's see what else. So the alphabets are double V, E, T, H, E, G. What are the numbers? Let's see the numbers. Your numbers are number 7, number 18. Okay, you have the plane. Yeah, so long distance. People from far away are important. News, traveling is also important. Some of you want to travel or go on a holiday, or you want to work or study abroad, or you were studying abroad but right now you can't go there. Friends, stay patient. Stay patient. It's going to happen. The yellow car is about, finding positivity and not giving, focusing on your dreams. This is about the greenhouse. I do see if you are worried about house issues, buying of a house or house rent. How will you pay the rent of a house or a business? Don't worry, things will happen. Your finances are healing. Hello, I'm yours. Wow, I do see someone is going to tell you they like you. Look at this. I do feel that. But this sees you are very busy. You might say you like someone, or someone else is going to say, hey, I'm interested in you. But they are a little scared because our viewers are very busy. The pink hat is also about love, new love, or some love proposal coming your way. Iron, you are very focused on removing all the tensions from your life. You don't even worry about love this week. The teapot, something is brewing, friends. Something has started. Some dreams or plans, they are working. Just stay patient. Also, the teacup is about, spending some time with friends and family, not worrying too much, enjoying life. Sage, yes, you are very intelligent. You are also very wise. You know what to do in a situation in your life. Yellow, stay focused, stay happy. Yellow is your color. 10 of here, 10 of here. See? Something has ended, friends. Don't focus on it. Maybe you left your job or you had to. It's okay. Let it be for now. Think of new things. Try different ventures. Learn something new. Luck. Luck is important. You are very lucky. If you are waiting for luck, it is coming your way. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important. 6 of Airs. Yes, your relationships are going to move ahead. 3 of Cups, celebrations are coming. Money is coming, yes. Cat, oh my god. Look at that, where is it? And I don't even know, my bag is, I can't see the charms in it. Cat, the energy of cat, and you have chosen the cat. So yeah, some of you could be worried about a cat you have, or some of you should adopt a cat or start working with animals. That's your destiny, I feel. And blue is also important for you, the color yellow and blue. Venus, focus on yourself, friends. Make yourself a priority. 2 of Airs, something is confusing you. You are caught between your head and mind. I told you that. One of cups, ace of cups. New love offers are coming, friends. Someone wants to offer you love. Family, yes, family is important for most of you. Ten of cups, spending some happy times with family. Knight of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, in love with you. March is important, yes, friends. I do see someone wants to propose you. Maybe someone from the past messaging and someone new. It's up to you whom you want to. I see you focusing on yourself rather than love, but yeah, love is coming and family is very important this week. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Insta as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you choose option number 3, this cute goat, let's see how this week will be for you. This is a charms reading. This is your advice, your extra oracle cards. Let us see your cards, friends. Wow, 4 of summer, 4 of cups, 3 of springs. Okay. The emperor. Oh my god. Nice. The 5 of autumns, prince of summer, and the princess of summer. Wow. Friends, some of you are not feeling that you are where you need to be this week. You are feeling financial worries, like you feel like financially you are not where you want to be, or finances are not going strong, or you feel your future is emotionally you are not feeling secure, financially, emotionally you are not feeling secure. I also feel that someone is behaving stupidly in your love life. You know, you are not feeling that great, friends. I do feel that you have some worries starting this week, right now, also about money, about security, emotional security. Both. Money is not coming, and you feel someone is behaving rather, or your love life is affected by money. Some relationship also, you don't feel secure in it. I also feel this week you are feeling like you could have been this emperor, but you are not there. You feel like this prince or this princess, and you feel like you have a long way to go to reach your dream, this emperor. I also feel you may feel a little a little bored this week, a little unhappy this week. Why? Or you may feel like, nothing exciting is happening. This is just the same old week. Why? Because, you feel like things are not changing. You can't see the changes in your physical life. So you feel a little like, oh, this is just an ordinary week. What is happening in this week? Nothing. You may also feel like money is tight, money is not coming, you need to save more rather than spend. Also, maybe your finances have been completely non-existent. You don't have a job, you're looking for a job but it's not coming. So you feel some worries. You are like, you are either bored this week or you are worried, and you feel like you need to be this emperor but you are not there. So you are all over the place. Your emotions are very strong this week, friends, because there is a new moon. So I would suggest you to focus on the positive things or wish positive things for yourself. Make a goal and find it, because you have the 3 of spring. Expansion is coming. 3 of wands. Expansion is coming. I would suggest you to travel or get out, change your routine in some way this week, because otherwise you may feel very bored this week. You are like, oh, it's like that week. Oh, I don't know what to do, because goats are like that. Have you seen a goat climb a mountain? Have you seen that? I would suggest you to go and watch a video. There are many videos where there are goats climbing very, dangerous mountain peaks. You should see that, how they do it. So that is how you are. You are this goat. You are not where you want to be, but you will achieve success. Because you are a goat, you are very capable. Friends, your life will move forward, and what you need to do, you need to create some change in your life. Change your daily routine. It will bring you some excitement. Get more active. I see you might be not taking any physical activity, just sitting and watching TV, or just not doing much. I would suggest you to get physically active. Try skipping, try dancing, do whatever you enjoy. Maybe if you can, go for a swim. If you can, if it's allowed for you, and if you can, I think you should try something new. Try something that's exciting. Maybe try a game. Maybe try, some learning something new. Try some dating apps. I don't know why I said that, but I think you need to try something exciting because that's what is missing. Otherwise, you may feel very emotional or completely bored this week. I also feel, friends, there in love, there is a relationship with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. And I feel this person is not behaving very maturely with you. So you feel very upset with this person, or you feel you feel emotional about them. You are crying about this person, but they just don't care, or they are also lost. They don't know what to do. I feel this could be like young love where nobody knows what to do. So everyone, is too emotional. This person is very emotional. If even if they are not, this is your person's week will be very emotional. They'll be very emotional. I feel this person has a tendency to control their emotions, but this week they will surprise you with some emotional expressions, emotional messages. You may not be expecting it, but it will happen. I also feel if you are a man and you are not used to making the first move in a relationship, you might surprise yourself and propose someone. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I do see you doing that. I also feel, friends, this is your week to focus on balancing your emotions and on making your future plans in your career and your education. So keep working. Some of you may feel very emotional about your future, your education also, like, oh, I will not get through my exams. My exam didn't go. My result won't be good. What am I supposed to do? Or you are like, okay, I have passed out. Now what is there? I don't know what to do. Relax, friends, relax. Be like this emperor. Choose what you want to do and take action. Change. Take action. Action will help you, friends. Actions, taking action in your life, changing uh, things in your life, going out. I also see some of you should plant something. Maybe should you might be bring some plants in your home, flowers. Maybe if it is a one flower plant, it will help you, friends. It will keep you excited every day that you have to take care of it. I also see some of you want to start a vegetable garden, or maybe you can try growing some vegetables in a pot. Try that. I do see you doing that. For your work and career, yes, friends, you are going to achieve some financial success, but it will happen not in this week, maybe after this week. But this is, you should keep working. Even if money is not coming, you should keep working. You should keep your focus, you should keep your focus study. That is what I feel. Otherwise you will get very emotional or bored. Don't to value, look at this number 31. So money is coming, friends. Don't worry if it's right now things are tough, things are not moving forward. Keep your focus, keep working, keep studying, and keep learning. Don't quit. This is not your time to quit. And if you are bored, try something. Yeah, like if you are bored of reading the subject or the syllabus is boring, try something new. Try something new. Make it exciting. Try some test. Try some apps. I also feel that some friends can help you. You can both study together, or you both can learn together, join an online course. I see you joining an online course with a friend, or being with your sister or brothers, and having some fun with that, fun with them, like, let's do this, let's do that. Rest and rejuvenation, number 19. See, I do see you having, taking some time to do something that gives you peace. I also feel you need to work on your body, friends, on your fitness, mental fitness as well as your physical fitness. So I would suggest you to start walking or taking some walks, or getting active on your yoga. I do see you doing that this week. I also feel, friends, someone is going to send you some gift or something. I keep seeing like there is a gift coming your way. Maybe it is some extra money, maybe it is a compliment, maybe it is a message which excites you. Something random will happen which will excite you. Let's see your charms. So don't worry about this lack of money or this. I do feel you can find this week boring if you don't go out and change your routine. Option number three, how this week will be for them. Let's see. I'll take your advice, but I want to see your charms because there is something is coming. You know, some gift is coming for you. For pile number three this week. Yeah, see, something is going to happen which will make you like, ooh, chubby, chubby, happy, happy. Let's see your advice. Music for manifesting. To manifest rapidly, think of your desires while you chant, hum, sing, or play music. So, music is very important for you. Some of you should start learning music, or some of you may already be musicians, so you should get, try something new in your creative things. If you are a musician, try something, learning something new, maybe a new instrument. If you are a singer, try singing something new, take some challenge and keep manifesting. You know, if you are already manifesting, nothing is happening, try with music. Also, I feel like, music will help you to feel not bored this week. Watch some music, movies. This is your week, where I see you getting bored, getting restless, because you want to work, you want change in your life. So I would suggest you to go and watch that video where the goat are climbing a mountain, very steep mountains. You should write, you can search YouTube, it's very easily available. Let's see your charms. You have a lot of charms. H, I, there is B, there is L, there is V, there is K, there is N, and there is E. Line could be, some of you could be, I see some of you getting on social media, online, and starting something, or you are bored of online, so you might take a break and focus on your fitness, your goals, or if you are married, you should take some trip together with your husband and wife or your loved ones, or just set up a date in your house. It will be exciting for you. You are this dark night, you are this dark night, and there is also another person which is just like you, someone is just like you in your love life. You have two horses, not one but two. I also feel, friends, like this person has been behaving stupidly and they are causing you problems, but some healing will happen this week. Hi is also, someone might say you hi, hi, or you might say to someone, hi, how are you? Happiness, yes, something will happen which will make you happy. Also, the lucky boot is here. Money worries will heal. Flower, I did tell you that you should buy some flowers or plant some flower, get some plants, grow your own vegetables. It will keep you excited and happy. Number 4 is important. 4 could be your life path number in numerology, your birth date also, or it could be someone else's. 4 can also be a month also for you. Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, prosperity. You are very blessed, friends. There is also the teapot. So yeah, I do feel you should take try some new tea flavors, or you will try some new way of making a tea or new recipes, because you need some excitement. You are craving for excitement. Message in a bottle. I see you might be messaging a lot of people, or a lot of people are messaging you, compliments coming your way. Oh my God, someone is trying to reach out to you from the another city or country. You may be dealing with someone who is from different country. Iron, you feel life is boring. You feel like, oh, I have to do the same old things. Why? You should take a break and do something nice. Go on a holiday probably. Hello, I'm cuter than you. See, someone is behaving like a little silly. Maybe you will attract someone who is younger than you this week and they are a little childish, so you might have to bear with that. Two of Cups, yes, friendships are important for you, relationships are important for you. Kingfisher, money, luck, prosperity. Three of Coins, yeah, people want to talk to you this week, friends. They want to work with you. Knight of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Past life, yeah. Some situation in your life, especially relationship wise, is because of a past life. A friend is important. A friend will talk to you, they might message you, or they might tell you something about your partner or your family, or something like that. Some messages are coming, or a friend zone person might want to date you. Congratulations, patience. Patience is here again. Maybe someone is trying to manifest you, friends, as their partner. Congratulations. And look at this. Ooh, October is important, and we are in October right now. Wow, something is going to happen. What is this? Red. Passion. Someone has very passionate about you. Mars. Ooh. Oh my god, friends, stay careful. Mars is retrograde, and Mars. On the 14th, Mars is in, when Mercury is going retrograde, Mars is opposite Sun. So get ready for some passion, fireworks. 10 of Wands, you're worried about an ending in life. 10 of Years, oh my god. Some situation, some relationship has gone to its worst. Knight of Wands, someone new is coming, friends. Someone very gorgeous, someone very attractive. They are going to propose you, or they are going to just like say hi. Queen of Wands, yeah, they'll also like you because you are very passionate. Knight of Years, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. This could be someone for you work with. Mouse, you have the energy of mouse, and look at this. The Emperor has the mouse. Look at this. Someone is not taking a move towards you, and it's driving you nuts. They should take a move. I do see them taking a move. Neptune, there is a lot of confusion. This week you might go confused or fed up. If that's why I'm telling you to do something, change your routine. Ace of Cups, new offers of love, new friendships. But the confusion will be that the past person isn't moving. You want them, you love them, but they are not coming. There is some confusion going on. But it is a happy week, so just change your routine and listen to some amazing music this week. And if you are listening to some amazing music, recommend to me your suggestions so I can also listen to it. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Venstero, like and share, and join us on Insta as Magic Venstero. This is Mystic C saying bye.